Hello and welcome to Nigerian Food TV. Today I'll show you how to prepare the classic Nigerian fried rice. Do click on the link above for detailed list of ingredients and written recipe. So let's get cooking. Parboil the carrots and peas in boiling water for 2 minutes, then rinse off in iced or cold water. The vegetables should not be tender because you'll be stir frying them later to complete the cooking process. Pour the chicken stock into a large pot and heat up until it begins to boil. Now add the chopped onions, curry, garlic and stock cube. The garlic is optional, so you can leave it out if you want to. Then add the parboiled rice, salt to taste and mix thoroughly. The chicken stock should be at almost the same level as the rice in the pot. If that is not so, you can add a little water to top it up, then cook the rice until done. Heat up some oil and add the parboiled carrot and peas. Then add the liver or meat of choice and the green pepper. You can also add shrimps if you want to, then stir fry for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now spice it up with a little garlic, black pepper, stock cube and curry. Chop out the vegetables, leaving a portion in the pan. Then add a little of the cooked rice and stir fry for 1 minute. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan when frying so that each grain will be well fried. Repeat this process for the remaining rice and vegetables. Remember not to overcrowd the pan and also fry in batch. Thank you so much for watching, and do give us a thumb up if you like this video, and also try out this recipe and let's hear your feedback. See you in the next video. Goodbye.